ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിൻ്റെ മറ്റൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. എക്സാം ഓറിയൻറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സാണ് എടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഇൻ ടാബ്ലറ്റ് മാനുഫാക്ചറിങ് ടാൽക് ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ് ആസ് എ ഡാഷ്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ഡയൽവൻ, സെക്കൻഡ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഗ്രാനുലേറ്റിംഗ് ഏജൻറ്റ്, തേർഡ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഗ്ലൈഡൻ, then last option disintegrating agent. Question again, in tablet manufacturing talc is used as a dash. Here the correct answer, talc is used as a glidant. Question number 2, Schick test is done to dash. Option detect the degree of immunity against diphtheria, detect the degree of immunity against tuberculosis, detect the degree of immunity against typhoid, identify the presence of ketone bodies in urine. Question again, Schick test is done to, here the correct answer, detect the degree of immunity against diphtheria. Question number 3, glycerin or sorbitol is added to gelatin in the preparation of soft gelatin capsule as dash. Here the option preservative, plasticizer, polishing agent, sweetening agent. Question again, glycerin or sorbitol is added to gelatin in the preparation of soft gelatin capsule as, here the correct answer, plasticizers. Question number 4, principle of size reduction in ball mill is dash. Option compression, impact, attrition, combination of impact and attrition. Question again, principle of size reduction in ball mill. Here the correct answer, combination of impact and attrition. Question number 5, Eugenia caryophyllus is the botanical name of dash. Here the option clove, eucalyptus, coriander, cardamom. Question again, Eugenia caryophyllus is the botanical name of dash. Here the correct answer, clove. Question number 6, the limit test of iron depend upon the interaction of iron with dash. Here the option barium sulfate reagent, diphenyl thiocarbazone, thioglycolic acid, mercury chloride. Here the question again, the limit test of iron depend upon the interaction of iron with dash. Here the correct answer, thioglycolic acid. Question number 7, in relation to emulsion, formation of a layer of relatively concentrated emulsion above or below the surface is known as dash. Option cracking, creaming, mottling, phase inversion. Question again, in relation to emulsion, formation of a layer of relatively concentrated emulsion above or below the surface is known as, here the correct answer, creaming. Question number 8, drug inspector is appointed as per the provision of dash. Options Pharmacy Act 1948, Drug and Cosmetic Act 1945, Drug Inspector Act 1940, Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. Question again, drug inspector is appointed as per the provision of dash. Here the correct answer, Drug and Cosmetic Act 1945. Question number 9, presence of signified trichomes is the characteristic microscopic features of dash. Here the option Naxomica, digitalis, cinchona, datura. Question again, presence of signified trichomes is the characteristic microscopic features of dash. Here the correct answer, Naxomica. Question number 10, an example for an anthracene glycoside. Option purpurea glycoside, diosgenine, cantharidin, senoside. Question again, an example for an anthracene glycoside. Here the correct answer, senoside. Question number 11, hydrogen peroxide IP used as antiseptic contains dash. Option 100% weight by volume of hydrogen peroxide, 25% of weight by volume of hydrogen peroxide, 6% weight by volume of hydrogen peroxide, 27% weight by volume of hydrogen peroxide. Question again, hydrogen peroxide IP used as antiseptic contain. Here the correct answer, 6% weight by volume of hydrogen peroxide. Question number 12. The agent used as a radio-opaque contrast medium. Option, radioactive sodium iodide, colloidal gold injection, barium sulfate, sodium iodohypurate. Question again, agent used as a radio-opaque contrast medium. Here the correct answer, barium sulfate. Question number 13. When a hypotonic solution is injected into bloodstream, cause dash. Option, hemolysis, shrinkage of blood cells, sclerosis of veins, no characteristic changes. Question again, when a hypotonic solution is injected into bloodstream, causes dash. Here the correct answer, hemolysis. Question number 14. Sodium lauryl sulfate is dash. Option, cationic surface active agent, ampholytic surface active agent, non-ionic surface active agent, anionic surface active agent. Question again, sodium lauryl sulfate is dash. Here the correct answer, anionic surface active agent. Question number 15. A toxoid vaccine is dash. Option, killed bacterial suspension, live bacterial suspension, live viral vaccine, toxins that have been incubated with formalin. Question again, a toxoid vaccine is dash. Here the correct answer, toxins that have been incubated with formalin. Question number 16. 0.1 gram contain dash. Option, 1000 milligram, 100 milligram, 10 milligram, 1 milligram. Question again, 0.1 grams contain dash. Here the correct answer, 100 milligram.